5, 4, 3,
On 2.
1.
Protect the furnace at all costs! Get those billows pumping!
Try and interrupt all his ruptures if possible. I think that might be help reduce the damage, can't you?
Can't.
What is it that we're interrupting?
Pyroclasm.
Pyroclasm. Sorry, I meant his pyroclasm. I reduced some damage on Connor, so I'm thinking.
He's repairing.
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat 'em out! Call in more security!
Our regulator's down. Watch out for bombs. Blow yours now.
Sorry for this. Taunt the stealth.
We have it under control.
Off the skull.
Get elemental to elementalist already. Yesterday.
Yep, stack on him. Come on,
Closer,
those
closer,
bots going
closer,
down.
closer, closer, closer.
That's it.
Everyone get ready to swap. Now.
Fire caller.
Elemental is about to die. Get ready to swap now.
Kill. Alright, we've got the fire caller here.
Go, 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 go. Now, now. Yeah, guard is coming.
Good.
Skull and cross, guys. Don't kill the elemental until Skull and Cross are almost dead. Alright, you can start now. Get elemental to elementalist. Skull. Get ready to swap. Now.
Want more on Skull?
I'm interrupting cross.
Fire callers?
Skull and Cross now, kill them. Go for the mantle. Skull. Two of them dying here. Swap now.
Elementalist, Skull again?
Interrupting cross. Finish up fire call. Picking up the bot.
Okay, good. Let's move.
Guards.
Not moving any further now.
Action, please. Second pots.
Need a taunt. Need a taunt in the boss.
Yeah, sorry, man. I just taunted the guards.
It's alright. Still at 3, so... We're taunting on 2 since now.
Move in.
Can you act? Yeah, he's done it. Rebuff him.
Taunt.
Okay, I'm going to try and come next blast.
Norco, can you focus that train?
Yep.
Taunt.
Okay, tranking.
Knuckles down.
So I can
Get
finish
no
up
cut.
a sec.
Knocks back up.
Don't forget your divine hymn, Aeon.
Will do.
Taunt. Watch Braga please now, I'm really low.
Him in.
Connor time.
Lots of healing on Connor.
3%, come on.
He's
Nice.
gone.
Great.
Well done, everybody.
Yeah,
Excellent.
that was like perfect from start to finish.
What the hell's up with the loot? No, it's Master Looter. That's okay then. Sorry, I just got spammed. You got Emperor of the Mountain. It was epic. Purple. I